Okay, it's August 6th. Typical day in Nunavut. 10 o'clock at night. You can see we're just sitting around bullshitting.
Fueling up.
Watching the tent rock and roll.
Mother Nature having a fit.
It's moving pretty good tonight. Let's have a look outside here. Oh, fuck. Whoa! Okay, that's enough of that. We're back.
Yeah. What happened, Randy? Couldn't hold the door open?
That's right. Smile, say hi.
Hello, everybody. Move in. Move in.
Move in. I think I'll turn the pillow around to the other side tonight.
Oh, I love it. Nice storm? Oh, I love them. Oh,
This is the rainy season in Nunavut.
Mother Nature couldn't pound it.
Ziggy, over and out.
I love it. I love it.